Okay, this is follow-up instruction video on plastic canvas. Plastic canvas is a beginner sewing project where the students create a design on a canvas and pick their own colors of yarn and then cover it with yarn. And on the other video I showed you how to start if it has no yarn in it at all. But on this one I'll show you what to do when you already have yarn in the canvas, and also need to show you how to begin and end in that. I'm going to thread my needle by pinching it really tight in my fingers. Put the eye of the needle over the needle and pull it through. I go ahead and pull it all the way through, leave one long, one short, and no knots, just to get the kinks out. And this doesn't match because I want you to be able to see the contrast of colors. I want you to be able to see how to start. Now, and also I wanted to show you on the back of this canvas what a wrong and a right stitch looks like. If you're doing it right, and then the yarn should look the same on both sides, all slanted and going one direction. If you're doing it wrong and you see an up and down knotted stitch like this, that's not the way that we do it. And so, and the whole purpose, again, remember, if you're moving from the right to the left, you come in at the bottom of the stitch, you go down at the top. If you're coming from the left side to the right side, it's just the opposite. You come in at the top and go down at the bottom, okay? And if you do it wrong, that's what makes these stitches. Now, to put another piece in where you've already stitched, you're going to slip it back behind 5 or 6 stitches you've already done. And like I said, I'm using different colors of yarn so you can see the contrast. And you just want to pull it till there's no tail showing, okay? So it's pulled all the way through and there's no tail hanging out back there. And then you're going to start and you pull from, you go in at the bottom, go down at the top. Again, you're moving from the right to the left side of the canvas. So it's bottom to top. And you do shear holes. Okay, I'm just going to make a few stitches and then show you how to end it. And it's all the same. Okay. Alright. Alright, you want to make, alright, let's pretend we're at the end of a row. And so what you want to do is you want to turn it over, and you can see the front, the back looks like the front. To end plastic canvas yarn, you slip it underneath 4 or 5 stitches, just like you did when you began. And you pull it through, and you pull it gently, and then you just cut it off. Okay, and make sure you don't leave a tail, because the whole thing is you don't want a tail hanging off back there. Okay, and so that's how you begin and end a piece of yarn in a plastic canvas project that already has some yarn in it.